did like 13 shows. And parang, or ayoko lang salita kasi feeling ko baka pagod lang ako. Kaya ako nasasabi. Kasi love na love ko naman yung trabaho ko. Pero, gusto ko nang umuwi. Gusto ko nang umuwi. So, yeah. Parang, although, enjoy ko naman talaga siya. Eyeshadow color, I just use this. So this is what I use to kind of put on top of my eyeshadow and my eyelids because I don't wear eyeshadow sometimes. Like only if I do a smoky eye, but I don't because I feel like my eyes get a bit more deep set. I don't like that. Eyeshadow, dark eyeshadow, so I like it to keep it fresh. This is what I use, and blush on today, this is what I use. This one is $29. Armani. Lipstick is this one. Sorry. This is Love Bug, yes? Love Bug. Love Bug from Absolute. Really, really nice. Vlogging. I think I just have to finish what I need to finish with, because I'm also producing Heart World. So, it's always like, do I go back to YouTube or I have to continue, because it's a reality show that I'm co-producing with GMA, so I feel like all the footage just goes to Heart World. So maybe for the vlogging, not yet, but I do plan to go back to the vlogging. Thank you so much. And I do enjoy the vlogging, and I feel like people would enjoy the vlogging even more because it's just so real. So that's something that that's something that I would consider, yes. Hi, Tien. Si Tien, relax lang eh. Kasi isa na lang yung utang niya sa akin. Isa na lang ba? Isa na lang.
Sa baba.
Ay, sobra naman.
Sis, may message pa sa...
Oh my God!
Ang cute, no?
Maraming salamat. Hashtag Team Breakfast. Guys, huwag kayong ganyan. Miss Fork ba kayo dyan? Charot. Kailangan ko nang umuwi. Dahil sobrang sama na ng diet ko.
Asan yung gatas?
As in, ang sama na niya. Oh my God! It has the vanilla cream inside. What else?
Yung granola nandito.
So today I have 2 events and 1 show. And then I leave na. Kasi uwi na ako.
Ano?
Jade, mamimiss mo kami?
Asus!
Enjoy mo yung breakfast mo? Nakapag-breakfast ka na maayos?
Nag-breakfast kami nila sa ano.
Ah, nag-breakfast na kayo.
Nagla.
So may pwede pa mag-breakfast sa baba?
Si Andrea. For later.
Nag-check out na ba si Andre?
My mom wasn't able to come. Kasi na-cancel yung flight niya, pero buti na nasa Manila siya. So, although pinupush niya matuloy kasi she wanted moral support. Pero sabi ko, huwag niya nang i-push.
Yung kay heart niya. Maski yung white na lang siguro.
Yes, Mugler is my favorite. The Red Star in particular. You have to try also the Blue Star. That's the original one. But what do you call this? Yeah, so it's so bango. But there's also another one, a new one. It's the Alien, and then they launched the
Alien pulp.
Alien Pulp. It's so good. Ay, wala tayong cappuccino. Meron ba? Pwede ba ako magpaano na lang? Tapos may cereal.
Yes, meron.
Kakain talaga.
Baba ako ulit. Milk and cereal.
Spoon.
Ay, shit. Teka pala.
Pwede ka kumuha baba.
Thank you so much, candidate. My nails are like parang bluish.
Actually, ang ganda ng kulay ng nails.
Bluish siya, pero hindi ko alam, sis. Parang gusto ko na talagang umuwi. Kaya hindi ko na siya masyado na ano. Hindi ito yun, sis. Jane! Saan ka punta?
Cappuccino.
Yung parang coated
Yung
ng
parang
caramel.
Coco Crunch.
Coco Crunch siya may coat. Yung coated ng parang...
Chocolate na lang.
Chocolate na ko. Na ganun
Coco
siya.
Crunch, oo. I think I had 12 shows. April, where can I buy Mugler here? I think they would have it in Sephora.
Sephora.
And definitely Sephora would have it. Any other questions? Like, other questions that you want? Wag muna umuwi. I have to go home. I missed home. Actually, sobrang miss ko na yung bahay ko at lahat. To a point na malapit na ako maiyak. Pero, hindi naman pwedeng sabihin, pagod ako. Diba, Hill?
Yes.
Or pwede bang sabihin na medyo pagod ako? Thank you, Lord. Nilagnat ba ako this fashion week? No. Nilagnat ako sa saya. Any other questions? Yeah, I just miss my bed and my dogs, and I just miss Manila. I miss home. That's probably it. I feel like also I'm getting older. I really feel the difference this season. I feel very basta. Nararamdaman ko siya. May something. Kahit na nag-NAD drip ako, it only lasted me 2 weeks. After that, balik na ako. What are your current favorite bracelets? Oh my God, I didn't even have bracelets this season. I have, but it's on my... Nakakaaning dito. Magsuot ng something. Pero, hindi nalala. Basta hindi ko makwento dyan. Kwento ko lang next time. Anyway, I know age is just a number. It is, oh, for sure. It really is a number. But sometimes you kind of need the comfort of your home. Parang yun. Pero ang saya naman because my lip combo, today it's just this one. Absidy. This one is Love Bug, my favorite. Cupid and love bugs are my two favorite. Anyway, I'm gonna go, people of the world. Kasi may ganito na tayo. And I'll see you soon. Thank you for staying.